Wait a second. What if you could literally download a 500-page textbook into your brain in minutes without reading a single page? Welcome to the Ultimate 2026 AI Study Cheat Code. This fast-paced explainer is going to completely rewire how you handle massive amounts of information.
Picture this. You've got 500 pages, a massive stack of technical manuals, or a dense textbook just staring you down, and your degree, your job, or maybe your next huge certification is completely riding on it.
The exam is literally days away, and, well, you haven't even started. Normally, that's a guaranteed miserable all-nighter, but Google has quietly dropped an insane update that reads, teaches, and actually tests you. Look, the old way of studying was a total nightmare, right? Digging through scattered files, losing PDFs, highlighting until your eyes bleed. So the new way? You just ask one single question to a massive, intelligent AI knowledge base. Today, we're exposing the hidden features most people are totally missing, so you can literally slice your study time in half. We're talking about Gemini Notebook. You might remember it as NotebookLM. In 2026, it is hands down the most powerful AI study tool out there. But here's the catch. Most people are only using maybe 10% of its actual power. They treat it like just another basic chatbot. Let's fix that and build your ultimate AI study workflow.
All right, Phase 1, building your AI mega brain.
Instead of uploading one PDF at a time, you need to create one master notebook per subject and just dump absolutely everything into it. We're talking textbooks, lecture slides, your messy class notes, research papers, and yep, even YouTube videos. You're essentially building a massive, custom-tailored, interconnected knowledge base for your exact curriculum.
And unlike standard AIs that, sometimes hallucinate fake facts, Gemini Notebook cross-references your specific papers and slides all at once. Ask it to compare two dense research papers, and it gives you answers with 100% traceable, clickable citations right back to the original paragraphs. No guessing, just rock-solid facts.
Moving on to Phase 2, prep before you read.
Because jumping straight into hundreds of pages is just overwhelming. So here's the trick. Hit Audio Overview. In just minutes, your dry, boring documents are magically turned into a super engaging, two-host educational podcast. You can literally absorb the big picture while you're driving to work or doing the dishes way before you ever even look at the text.
Then, with a single click, you generate a visual mind map. This is huge. You get to see exactly how all those main topics, the subtopics, and the key concepts actually connect with each other. It's like a giant puzzle coming together. You aren't just memorizing random isolated facts anymore. You're seeing the whole landscape, which is exactly how the top experts learn.
Next up, Phase 3, interrogate your AI tutor.
Stop asking basic questions. You need to tell the AI, you are my personal tutor, explain this like I'm 12 years old, give me real-life examples, and ask me questions to challenge my understanding. Hitting it with this exact prompt transforms the AI into your own 24/7 private teacher that actually pushes you.
Then, flip the script using the famous Feynman technique. You teach the concept back to the AI. Say something like, hey, I'm going to explain Newton's laws. What mistakes did I make? What did I miss? The AI will instantly compare your explanation against all your uploaded sources and pinpoint your exact knowledge gaps. It's honestly mind-blowing how effective this is.
Oh, and here's a massive pro tip. Every single time the AI gives you an incredible explanation, save it as a note. Then, convert those notes right back into new, searchable sources. Your notebook literally gets smarter and more personalized the more you use it, compounding your knowledge over time.
All right, Phase 4, test your true understanding.
Look, just reading creates the illusion of familiarity, but testing is what actually builds true memory. We have to force active recall. But writing out notes by hand takes forever, right? So let the AI do the heavy lifting. It can automatically generate massive, detailed study guides, chapter summaries, timelines, and concept breakdowns in seconds. Once you have those, it's time to ruthlessly attack your weak spots. The AI spins up unlimited flashcards and practice quizzes, multiple choice, short answer, essay questions, you name it, all generated directly from the specific chapters you just studied. This active recall method is absolutely the secret weapon for locking in long-term memory.
So let's put it all together into the ultimate AI study workflow. The real magic happens when you stack all these hacks into one repeatable, high-speed system.
First, upload all your materials. Second, vibe to the audio overview. Third, explore the mind map connections. Fourth, chat with your AI tutor using that Feynman technique. Fifth, save your best notes. And sixth, generate those practice quizzes. Do this, and you completely eliminate passive, useless reading for good.
Gemini Notebook is not just some basic chatbot. It's an entire learning engine that totally transforms how you research and remember. Whether you're grinding for university exams, tackling brutal professional certifications, or just trying to survive a massive project at work, this system is going to save you hundreds of hours of tedious, soul-crushing work.
So I've got to know, which of these NotebookLM features are you actually most excited to try out first? Are you going to spin up the audio overview, or are you going straight for that Feynman technique prompt? Drop a comment down below to get the discussion going, and make sure you hit subscribe for more explainer updates on how to leverage AI. See you next time.